Welcome to a captivating journey through time at Ancient Olympia. In this immersive walking tour video, we'll explore the birthplace of the Olympic Games, first taking you through the awe-inspiring archaeological site and then delving into the treasures housed within the main museum. Before we delve into the history, we will provide you with some practical visiting information, including ticket prices and visiting hours, which vary depending on the season. Get ready to be transported to the heart of ancient Greece and uncover the rich history of this legendary site. Ancient Olympia is nestled in the picturesque valley of the Alpheios River in Greece's Peloponnese region. It's a place where legends were born and champions were made, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and travelers alike. Nestled in the serene beauty of Greece, Ancient Olympia awaits your discovery. You can reach this historic site by bus, car, boat, or even by plane. If you're starting your journey in Athens, hop on a bus bound for Pyrgos, the capital of the region. Alternatively, embark on a scenic 3.5-hour drive from Athens by car. For sea lovers, cruise ships dock at Katakolo, 34 kilometers, while Kyllini, 66 kilometers, and Patras, 117 kilometers, offer ferry connections. If you're taking to the skies, the nearest airport is Araxos, but it's primarily used for charter flights. If you are driving, please bear in mind that at the time of uploading this video, some road improvement works were in place. Worried about parking? Fear not. We've got you covered. There are convenient parking options available, ensuring a hassle-free visit to Ancient Olympia. You'll find both free and paid parking facilities, allowing you to focus on your exploration without worrying about your vehicle. Plan your visit carefully to make the most of your time in Ancient Olympia. Here are the visiting hours. Winter time, daily, 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. High season, daily, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. from September 1st to September 15th. 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. from September 15th to September 30th. 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. from October 1st to October 15th. 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. from October 16th to October 30th. 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Last admission, 20 minutes before closing time. Ticket prices vary depending on the season. From April to October, a full ticket costs €12. From November to March, a full ticket costs €6. Let's now explore the prominent attractions within Ancient Olympia. During the hot summer months, it's advisable to carry a bottle of water with you, as you may need to cover substantial distances between various monuments. Our journey commences as we step onto the revered grounds of the archaeological site of Olympia. Here, a world of wonders unfolds before you, including the Stadium Gate, Ancient Gymnasium, Palaestra, Philippion, Temple of Hera, Temple of Zeus, Workshop of Phidias, House of Nero, and the Antiques Hippodrome. As we delve into the heart of the archaeological site of Olympia, ancient ruins spring to life around every corner. You'll follow in the footsteps of legendary athletes, explore the Temple of Zeus, the very location of the renowned gold and ivory statue of Zeus, counted among the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and stand in awe of the majestic Herion, a tribute to the goddess Hera. Imagine the cheers of ancient spectators as athletes strode through the monumental Stadium Gate to compete in the Olympic Games. Let's talk about some of the most important sites to visit, in random order. The training ground of the ancient gymnasium honed the skills of the finest athletes, fostering a legacy of excellence. Palaestra was a place for physical and intellectual growth, where athletes and scholars met. Philippion is treasure of classical architecture, dedicated to the Macedonian king. Temple of Hera is a sacred sanctuary dedicated to the Queen of the Gods. The Workshop of Phidias is where the famous sculptor created masterpieces, including the statue of Zeus. House of Nero. Discover the Roman influence on this historic site. Antiques Hippodrome, the ancient horse racing track that once echoed with thundering hooves. Keep watching as in some seconds we are about to enter the main Archaeological Museum of Olympia. journey continues as we explore the Archaeological Museum of Olympia. This treasure trove houses priceless artifacts that provide a glimpse into the past, including Olympic champions' dedications, sculptures, and more. Ancient Olympia witnessed the birth of the Olympic Games in 776 BC. These games were more than just sporting events. They were a celebration of Greek culture, athleticism, and unity. Athletes from all over Greece would gather here to compete in various disciplines, and the winners were celebrated as heroes. Let's take a moment to appreciate the birth and history of the Olympic Games. These legendary games began their regular celebration in 776 BC and played a pivotal role in history. The concept of the Olympiad, a 4-year period between 2 consecutive celebrations occurring every 5th year, became a widely embraced chronological reference and dating system across the Greek world. But these are not all. There are more museums worth visiting inside the vast premises of the archaeological area. Let's talk a bit about them while we keep on walking inside the Archaeological Museum of Olympia. The Museum of the History of the Olympic Games of Antiquity. This museum houses a remarkable collection of Olympic artifacts, offering insight into the game's evolution and the lives of the athletes who competed. Also, don't miss the Museum of the History of the Excavations in Olympia. Here, you'll find a deeper understanding of the games and the ongoing quest to unearth the secrets of ancient Olympia. Prepare to be transported through time and immerse yourself in the ancient glory of the Olympic Games at Ancient Olympia. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Best Travel Video and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content. Do you have a question? Post it in the comments section. Check the description tab for more details about this destination, or read along with the subtitles. For more, visit our webpage www.besttravelvideo.com.